Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. So we are group G. We would like to give a presentation of our systematic literature review, and the title is a systematic literature review on speaking difficulties among the native high school students. So today we would like to talk about the major difficulties in modern education, the struggle of non-native high school students face when trying to speak English. So there are 6 contents such as introduction, methodology, result table, result research question, and also discussion and conclusions. So however, we know that many students feel stuck or anxious. So to understand why this happens, we conduct a systematic literature review. In simple terms, we gather and analyze the best research from journals that were published 2015 until 2025 to find the real roots of these speaking problems. So next, the introduction will explained by Laura.
Okay, this is the introduction. Speaking proficiency is a fundamental skill for effective communication, academic success, and future career opportunities. However, mastering English speaking remains a significant challenge for many students. This systematic literature review, or SLR, identifies these specific speaking difficulties and explore effective instructional strategies to overcome them and boost students' confidence. Okay, the next is Jalida.
Okay, so the next on the methodology. Our methodology SLR database using Google Scholar and also Publish or Perish, and we using key phrases such as difficulty or difficulties in speaking and learning, and strategy or strategies in speaking and learning. And we found around 132 studies that are relevant to our SLR. So before the screening phase, we found around 13 duplicate records and also 83 records that were auto-excluded based on our criteria. And then the next is in the screening phase, these reviews are not relevant to our eligibility criteria in abstract and also title. A total of 936 records are relevant to our eligibility criteria, and a total of 562 are excluded. And then the next report soccer file is around 374 records, and a total of 266 are not retrievable due to a lack of access. And then the next is report 108 records are full accessible and also relevant to our eligibility criteria. And then 81 total of records with specified criteria such as senior high school and also journal articles. And lastly, 27 records that include in this SLR. And next. So this is the Prisma full summary according to our the methodology. And then the next is their study criteria such as scopes, like speaking, strategies, and difficulties, senior high school. And for the literature type, we use journal article, and then the language it must in English, and then the year it must in 2015 until 2005. Okay, next, Jessica.
Okay, I will explain the research question. The lack of vocabulary have the lack of vocabulary. The journal connect to the lack of vocabulary. 8 journal, and the pronunciation is 5 journal. Language grammar is 5. Learning themselves is 4. And then the second research question from the review journal. The first is social strategy, and then the connect to 7 journal, and metacognitive strategy connect to 6 journal, and then connective strategy is a 4 journal, and memory strategy is 4 journal. And then next to the result first result question, and what are the speaking difficult to the students face in the senior high school. And the first is lack of vocabulary. This is the most significant obstacle as stated by Mezi et al. 2022. The lack of vocabulary hinders students' ability to communicate and express their idea. And then our pronunciation. Many students worry that encouraged students will learn to misunderstandings, making them resultant to speak. Sabila and Kania Devi, 2025. And then the third is language grammar. Students often feel confused by sentence structure and then the language rules or during oral communication. As a query at 2020, the last is learner themselves. There are students how are good at grammar and vocabulary, but they do not have a confidence speaking in public. Putri et al. 2022 and Suryani et al. 2022. And the next is Laura.
Okay, this is the second research question. Our research question is, what are the strategies can be used to overcome these barriers? Okay, first is social strategies. This review found 7 journal articles discussing social strategies. According to Katemba and Grace, 20 and 23, and Christianita and Madasari, 20 and 22, social strategies are the most common strategies for speaking, which interact with others to practice communication. The second is metacognitive strategies. This review found 6 journal articles discussing metacognitive strategies. Metacognitive strategies such as making plans and reviewing every conversation is not by Nurbaiti 20 and 21 and Rifki et al. 20 and 23. The third is cognitive strategies. This review found 4 journal articles discussing cognitive strategies. Cognitive and memory, it involves repeating every word that students have learned, as noted by Sari et al. 20 and 21 and Zagoto 20 and 25. Okay, the last is memory strategies. This review found 4 journal articles discussing memory strategies. According to Jayari 20 and 25, Wirhamawan et al. 20 and 23, Zagoto 20 and 25, and Du and Kuyen 20 and 23. Note that memory strategies are essential to enhance speaking fluency. Okay, the next is Angger.
Okay, so the discussion, the main cause of speaking failure is vocabulary and anxiety. When students struggle to find words, it triggers high anxiety, leading to more mistakes in pronunciation and grammar. The second is poor pronunciation, that can create misunderstanding. It happens because students try to pronounce words that they are not familiar in their native language. So, notes by Apiket and Fatima in 2022 and Wulandari in 2022. The third is language grammar. According to Iswanto 2025, when student brain is hard to process grammar, after that they do not have the energy to keep the flow of the conversation. The fourth is the internal barriers. Although factors like shyness and fear of judgment are internal barriers, social strategies are the most effective way to overcome them through interaction with peers by, according to Katimba and Grace 2023 and Christianita and Madarasi 2022. And the fifth is repetition and fluency. Cognitive and memory strategy are crucial for building a long-term fluency by repeating and connecting information. Students can gradually overcome their linguistic limitation, according by Sari 2022 and Zagoto 2025. And the last is self-regulated learning. Through metacognitive strategy, students can take control of their progress. Planning and evaluating performance help students fix their speaking weakness systematically, and this is according to Nurbaiti 2021 and Rifki 2023. And the last is conclusion. So from the 27 studies from 2015 to 2025, we identify 4 main speaking difficulties. First one is lack of vocabulary, second one is poor pronunciation, the third one is grammar struggle, and the fourth and the last, internal psychological factor. The cycle of anxiety, silence caused by these linguistic and emotional barriers. A proven solution found in specific learning strategies. There are 4 in total. The first one is social, second is metacognitive, the third is cognitive, and the last memory strategy. This tool is essential for managing vocabulary and gaps, overcoming fear. So breaking the silence to achieve competition and confidence.
Okay, I think that's all for all my presentations, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.